streaming, I don't see any lag, which is good. Perfect. Amazing. थोड़ा lag अभी लग रहा है, but yeah, something I think this is manageable lag, like not a problem. Let's see what the resources are taken care. कुछ नहीं है, RAM भी काफ़ी available है, CPU is decent, not a problem यार, sorted. Bezo link. यहाँ का वीडियो बंद कर देता. हाँ हाँ, मैंने स्ट्रीम यहाँ से क्लोज कर दी है, बिकॉज आई थिंक वी आर डूइंग दिस ओवर यूट्यूब, राइट? या द स्ट्रीमिंग वुड हैपन ओवर देयर. द एंटायर कंट्रोल इज विद एलियट. Perfect यार, amazing Elliot. I think Elliot definitely deserves have coins over here for this entire. अरे नहीं यार, बहुत बड़ी बात करती है तूने. We are like, although being in tech, we were never in a position to do something like this, but I'm glad this is happening. So yeah, this is just for the people who are wondering कि मैं कौन सा. Okay, so I think it's just 2 minutes to 10. So it would be much easier for us to start. हो गया time. So you guys can hear me, right? Because all of a sudden everyone goes silent, and I wonder if anything is wrong with my connection. नहीं भाई, बातें यहीं पे करते हैं. सुनो, ऐसा करते हैं, बातें यहीं पे करते हैं. Let's have an entire conversation over here. You can watch the screen over there. बिकॉज कैसा है कि like, अरे माइक इनपुट, अगर माइक इनपुट मैं बंद कर दूंगा तो दिस वुड गेट रिकॉर्ड, वोंट गेट रिकॉर्डेड, राइट? और अदर रिकॉर्डिंग होगा बट आवाज़ रिकॉर्ड नहीं होगी, राइट? हाँ बस हाँ. Okay. I have the OBS open right in front of me. We have sources over here. I have display capture available. Tell me मैंने क्या करना चाहिए अभी यहाँ पे. Settings, preferences. Here are the settings. You want me to go in where? Audio, हाँ. See, I either is I have my delay, मतलब हाँ थोड़ा बहुत तो होगा ही. See, my internet connection is still decent, good enough, but क्या करते इसे enable करना है. डेस्कटॉप की तो ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी ना, बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक आई हैव एनीथिंग टू शेयर. सी ओके, देखो, अगर आपकी ऑडियो ऑडियो नहीं आएगी उस पर तो सी आई ट्राई टू रिपीट ऑल योर क्वेश्चंस, बट ईदर वेज आई हैव अ नैक ऑफ सॉर्ट ऑफ. आई कैन हियर माई वॉइस. आई सी दैट. से नो लॉजिस्टिकल इश्यूज होते रहने वाले हैं. दिस वाज द फर्स्ट डे या फर्स्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट, तो आज तो चालू कर देते हैं. वो देख लेंगे यार. ये सेशन ऐसा है कि वो सबके लिए रहने वाला है. इट्स गोइंग टू गो ऑन. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू लीव एवलॉन आर्मी वेरी सून. दैट्स नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन. सो ठीक है, परफेक्ट. Okay guys, chalo, let's directly jump to the guns right now over here. First and the foremost question I would want to know यहाँ पे कितनों को वर्डप्रेस आता है, इतना आता है कि आपने प्रोडक्शन रेडी वेबसाइट बना के रख दी है। ओके, ठीक है, परफेक्ट। अरे, देयर आर सो मेनी, see, I believe there are so many people over here, they are here with an intent to know कि WordPress चलता कैसे है, and I think they are here as a beginner itself. I've literally made this announcement that someone who has even no idea कि WordPress का spelling भी अगर नहीं आता है आपको फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है. That's absolutely all right. I'll be teaching you everything from scratch. So there are few things that we definitely need to take into consideration while doing all of this. And that is, keep an open mind, don't worry कि यार किस direction में जाएगा. There's no necessity of basics at all, and you just need to understand कि you are doing this for a very specific purpose, that is building websites for your clients. बेसिक्स का सबसे बड़ा दिक्कत यही होता है कि आप सब चीज़ें स्क्रैच से स्टार्ट करना चाहते हो, पढ़ना चाहते हो, एंड द प्रॉब्लम दैट हैपेंस विद दैट इज इन द एसेंस ऑफ लर्निंग एवरीथिंग you tend to overdo stuff, and WordPress is one of those places जहाँ पे you have to stick to the point. You cannot bhatko-fly from the tag that you have. So that's one thing that definitely happens a lot with WordPress. I have not really decided any sort of path because today's session is the first session I wanted to discuss with you guys, and accordingly wanted to decide the path कि ये अगले 3 4 5 दिनों में कैसे होने वाला है. So anyone over here who has heard of WordPress, what are your views or what are your preconceived notions about WordPress कि अरे मतलब अच्छा है, बुरा है, इंडस्ट्री गाली डालता है, PHP बेस्ड है तो बहुत फकॉल होगा बिकॉज PHP Webflow is better, or I would like to code. I would want to know your views about this ideology behind WordPress and non-WordPress things that we have in the market. Perfect. In that case, now coming back to our question. बताओ guys, वर्डप्रेस के बारे में किसी का डर या फिर एनीवन फील्स लाइक वर्डप्रेस इज शिट मैन, इट्स PHP, सो ओल्ड, व्हाई डू वी इवन यूज वर्डप्रेस टुडे, ऐसा कोई सवाल? ऑफ कोर्स. See, convenience is the biggest factor, but beyond that, we need to understand that intent that we are carrying today. See, COVID-19 का सिचुएशन है, बहुत सारे बच्चे घर पे बैठे हैं. There are so many people who I know personally or unemployed people want to start making money some or the other way. Right now, because of COVID, the entire world has sort of figured out कि going digital is the next thing. We have to basically go digital. And अभी ऐसा है कि even tier 2 and tier 3 cities have decided कि okay, now we have understood the importance of digital. Let's try to do something for that. आपका local business owner से लेके your furniture store, your doctor, your dentist, everyone is starting to consider how to build websites, which is a big thing. Now, how to capture this market? This is the whole reason why we are here today. We are here to learn WordPress from the basics to an extent where we'll be able to sell this website to someone who we know, some or the other businessman that we have around us. Someone's mic is creating a lot of disturbance. Please turn it off. Okay, so I think the major part that we are going to cover today is going to be about the DevOps part of it, or basically the deployment part of WordPress की अरे वेबसाइट अगर डिप्लॉय होती है तो वो होती कहाँ पे है और किस तरीके से होती है, and what are the things that we do. um, I think I'll directly open up one of my clients का portals that I have built, and I think that would be a good start where you'll get to see how I pitch to my clients. Let's see if we can open it this way. So, normally what happens is there is always going to be a way where some or the other person is going to start their own agency amongst you guys as well. At the end, I'm expecting and hoping कि आप सब बंदे जाके आपका एक खुद का एक प्रॉपर एजेंसी टाइप स्ट्रक्चर बनाओगे जहाँ से आप आपके क्लाइंट्स को सर्व करना चाहोगे. But as I said, the pricing is pretty much standard. Everyone is doing a very standard thing right now in the market. If I really want to give you the rates, 15,000 rupees for a static website, 25,000 for an e-commerce website, 35,000 for an e-commerce multi-vendor, 45,000 for a listing website. ये चार ही चीज़ें हैं जो clients आजकल expect करते हैं. There are no hard and fast requirements beyond these. And to be fair, I think this is what the entire industry is all about. The pricing is also pretty much similar. Almost every other agency is starting at this point. So how is it that your service is going to be different? How is it that your work is going to be different? One thing is going to stand out always is quality, and the second thing that's definitely going to stand out is the customer service. Now, how does customer service work for me? Guys, बीच बीच में थोड़ा ping देते रहो, because all of a sudden you go so blank and silent, I feel like I'm cut off from the entire process. Okay, perfect. So let's take a direct look at an example. So yeah, let's take a direct look at an example as to how I serve my clients. So whenever I onboard a client, what basically I've done is I've taken this see-the-redo.tech, this domain name, I've purchased it for like 4 years. And within these, I have created multiple subdomains. And every time I want to build something for my clients, I build on top of that. So this is another amazing plugin that we have, goes by the name Client Portal. Client Portal, client-portal.io, I believe is the name. Yeah, Client Portal. Uh, I think with time and if needed, and if we are in a position to share licenses, I'll share this with you. But there are free alternatives for this as well. You can figure out that with time. So what I do over here is I give a basic description of how exactly you get to interact with me, how the feedback loop and system has to be, and this is going to be the centralized dashboard for my client. The very first thing that a client gets to see is the current phase, next phase, and the estimated completion date, which is the deadline. Now, this is where the entire fun process starts. This is where I create a sort of structured model for my clients. The brief. The brief is basically this single document that I have. It's a Google Docs file. I will be sharing this structured file with you because hota ye is document ki almost everything is a template. Beyond the templates, it's all about how you fill the data, how you populate the data over here. Now, this is what I've made for my client. I basically decide what are the tasks. One is brand identity, then the website design aspect. How do I, like, once the design has been signed off, the files go into development, how we do the entire process. The extras talk about if I have any social media thing that I have to deliver to my client, or if there are any print collaterals that I have in plan, and something similar to that. Even for the page list, I decide कि कितने pages बन सकते हैं. For the deadlines, of course, to be discussed, key competitors, designer notes, the colors, style guides, design principles, and keyword research. And then again, if the client wants to add any of their social media accounts, any random additional notes, वो बंदा डाल सकता है. This is the most apt and a very short. एक पेज में तो मैंने पूरा फिट कर लिया, 1 से 1.5 पेज में max to max. ये टेम्पलेट मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगा. But this basically covers the entire idea कि कौन सी चीज़ों पे हमें वेबसाइट बनाते वक्त फोकस रखना है. एंड दिस इज समथिंग विदाउट इवन नोइंग कि वेबसाइट ही बनानी है क्या कोई कैसी चीज़ करनी है क्लाइंट के लिए. So these are the most essential things, and this doesn't at all talk about client and what their business is about. So that happens to be the second and third part. Yes, go ahead. What's your question? Yes, you are. Yeah, I am streaming this. Elliot, please make sure that these people get to know where the stream ka links are. Perfect. Yes, post it on WordPress channel. भाई इतना भी मत करो, spam लग जाएगा. Admins are a bit finicky at times. Hmm. चलेगा, अगर सवाल पूछना है तो आप सवाल पूछ सकते हो यहाँ पे. नो इश्यूज विद दैट. हम्म. हम्म. Oh yeah, I saw that. हाँ. परफेक्ट यार. अगर पीसी पे है तो फिर क्या ही दिक्कत है. फिर आप डिस्कॉर्ड का वॉल्यूम ऑन कर दो, वहाँ पे यूट्यूब का वॉल्यूम बंद कर दो. इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट. हाँ यार, बस स्क्रीन पे इतना भी लैग नहीं होगा यार, कम ऑन, बिकॉज आई एम ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन समथिंग तो वॉइस इज गोइंग टू बी आया. सो ओके. Okay, guys, perfect. I've covered the brief wala part. It's very simplistic. Yes, please go ahead. Yeah, yeah, go on, please. अरे हाँ यार, सबको सारे लिंक्स मिल जाएंगे. No issues and no worries about that. Yeah, yeah, perfect. Okay, now that we have already got the rules set, and if we don't have any non-topic related question, I think off-topic can happen somewhere else on the WordPress. People are there, they can answer. Okay, now sticking to the thing about how do I make things for my clients. I've covered the brief part. It's a very structured template. You literally have to replace words over there. So I am going to share that template with you right after this call. You guys can use that template for all your clients. फंडा बहुत सिंपल है. सिंपल गूगल डॉक्स पे रेडी करना है, इसके साथ लिंक करके देना है. बट हियर दैट वी हैव सेट द बेस फॉर द क्लाइंट. नाउ वी नीड टू गो इन मोर डिटेल्स अबाउट what all questions we need to get from our clients. I have made two questionnaires actually, and these two questionnaires are more than enough. Self-sufficient. These questionnaires are, by the way, more than enough for you to understand कि business चलता कैसा है, कौन से सवाल पूछने हैं, how to make that particular client go down even his nostalgia trip. And these are those questions. Tell me about your business. What do you do? If you have a mission statement, you can paste your who is your main audience we are talking to, your age, gender, location, lifestyle of your audience. What is the USP? What makes you stand out from other similar companies going after the same market? What is it that might stop people from using you? Maybe your price or your style or your genre or maybe your niche and their nuances. What is your proposition to overcome this? Of course, follow up to the above question. Who are your main competitors? How do you see any design or brands that you have you seen any designs or brands that you particularly like? Name a few keywords that come to your mind while describing your brand. Anything else that I need to know? Pretty simplistic. This entire questionnaire is also going to be shared with you guys so that you can either improvise on top of this, build your own questionnaire. But these questions are more than enough to know something about a business from that particular client. Then comes the website questionnaire wala part. Why do you want to have a new website? What will happen if you don't have a new website? Your competitors analysis, content strategy, search strategy, advertising and marketing strategy. How do you plan to encourage repeat visitors and referrals? अभी ये दो questions तो कोई बंदा भरेगा नहीं because they might be at a stage where they might not know about it. Completely optional, but then you can keep it. Content strategy हर किसी का होता है, competitors analysis वो भी हर किसी का होता है. But these are the questions that are more than enough to understand कि एक client के दिमाग में चल क्या रहा है. ना यू माइट बी वंडरिंग कि अरे ये वेबसाइट पुश करने के पहले क्लाइंट को कैसे अप्रोच करे, उसे कैसे पता है कि अरे करना क्या है. Well, for that, you guys might have attended Mohit's call where we were having sales pitch. If not, let me have a very small, simple sales pitch for you. It's very simple. This is something that I used to do back in 2017. So this entire journey started at a very weird stage where I never had plans to start making websites. All I had in my mind that कि चलो यार कुछ तो करना है life में, because I really had a hell lot of time back then, like 6 months in my hand. The entire thing happened in a manner where I was supposed to quit my job. So I was working as a data scientist with CDK Global. I just decided to leave that job because I wanted to pursue an MBA in symbiosis. I attended my snap, I cracked the snap, I went for PIs and GDs, cracked all the interviews, paid the fees. सब कुछ हो गया था December तक. And now I was wondering what am I even supposed to do? The college starts in June and then there's a lot of time between December to June. What should I even do? Then I started reaching out to people. Initially, I never had a plan in my head कि अरे reach out कैसे करें, इसको बनाए कैसे, how why will someone accept me? Because back then I just knew how to build WordPress. Just to set up some credibility on how much I've been dealing with WordPress, it's been 7+ years I've been dealing with the WordPress ecosystem. It's been, I think, 4 years, I think more than that, where I've been associated with the WordPress developers community. I'm an active contributor to the WordPress core repository as well. Security researcher is my background, so somewhere down the line I can contribute on that part. I've contributed few modules here and there for the WordPress security team. Along with that, I've been actively participating in localization projects where basically I've been converting WordPress ecosystem into local languages. So yeah, since it's an open source community, anyone can come, anyone can hop in and be a part of this. So far I'm audible, right? Yeah, perfect. तो वही हुआ कि अभी दिसंबर से करना क्या है. Then I started randomly calling people, which never worked for me because I just had a small script ki, sir, look, I build websites and this is what my service is. I do yada 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 and this is what I think we can do. Do you want to work with me? Are you interested? Very lame pitch, never really worked for me, but I decided to modify it a bit. The only thing that I initially said was, sir, I would just take 90 seconds of your time. I think I can add value to your business. Of course, in local language, in Marathi. And I just need 90 seconds of your time. Is it okay if I come to your office and I'll just show you how this entire thing works? This was the actual pitch I had. Now, how did I reach out to my clients? That's the biggest question. कि अरे client का repository कहाँ से मिलेगा? कहाँ से client के numbers मिलेंगे? I literally used to go on Just Dial. Every day on Just Dial, I used to add an area code. After that area code, I used to figure out 100 top businesses in that particular area. This only and only used to happen in Pune and the nearby region. Figure out 100 clients, get them aside, then figure out if they have a website or not. If they don't have a website, perfect. If they have a website, how good or how terrible is it? If it's terrible, then a perfect client for me. Of course, there were niches that I used to target a lot, especially interior designers, dentists, niche businesses, local book vendors, sellers, e-commerce stores, restaurants. Those are the kind of people I used to deal with. So what used to happen is, out of 100 calls, 80 people used to be like, who the hell are you? Number kahan se mila? Kya hai ye? We're not interested. Are you a salesman? And it was pretty disappointing, of course. For the first 2 or 3 days, I've literally cried, like sitting in a corner. I used to cry because never in my life. I mean, come on. I think when I was a 12th grader, I started working with Maharashtra Police as a security consultant. Immediately after that, when I got into my college, I was a part of this prestigious institute called MIT Pune. But again, inside college also, I was an active tech contributor to all the communities within my college. I think from my first and second year itself, I started contributing to Mozilla big time. I think by the second year, yeah, I believe by second year, I was one of the core contributors from Pune. I also got featured in newspapers, and almost every other college had me as their guest speaker. And yeah, that I think that was my journey with Mozilla. Google Developers Group happened in Pune. Facebook Developer Circles happened. An active contributor, still an active contributor to those open source communities. Because of which, what happened? I used to do so many things. Immediately after that, of course, there was a tragedy that happened in between. Where in my last year, because of my dad's accident, I was not able to do anything for 5 months. But as soon as those 5 months were over, I started hunting for a job. And my first search itself, it was not even a search, it was just a random incident where I bumped across a person who interviewed me, became my boss, and that's how I started working as a data scientist with CDK Global. So, like throughout this entire journey, I never faced rejection in my life. It was the first time when clients were rejecting me or people were not even willing to talk to me. And this is also going to happen with everyone who is there on the call today. Repeat what part exactly? Because this was an entire monologue. My friend, conclusion इतना ही है कि the struggle was a lot after I started building websites. Difficulties were a lot. Rejections, yes, you guys are going to face rejections a lot. But I'll tell you something. After 1 week of rejections, you'll definitely get used to it. Like you'll not feel anything. You'll basically disconnect the call and you'll move on to other client. So yeah, if you guys are wondering what strategy right now, immediately just dial. Trust me, it definitely works. If you make 100 calls, at least for me, when I used to make 100 calls, 80 rejections, 20 people used to listen, 10 were interested, 3 to 5 people used to still get converted. And back then I used to make websites for as cheap as 3,000 rupees to 5,000 rupees. So it did work for me back then. This is going to work for you guys as well, because the kind of expenses you need to cover for yourself, I'm going to cover those for you. The biggest expense that you're going to have is the hosting side. Hosting is something that I'm going to cover for you. their reseller hosting package, the most advanced package where everything. So even here, you might see like there are a few resources that are still going to be limited. I have access to their actual main account, which since I have been associated with them for a very long time, I'm one of their privileged customers, and for me, they have allocated a premium hosting account. That is the same account that I'll be using for you people as well. Just to give you an insight, one of the hosting account, how it basically looks is something like this. Not create, manage hosting packages. All of my clients are going to come over here. All I can do is I can trust you guys that you're not going to mess up with this, or rather go and mess with my clients around. But yeah, this is your hosting package. If you want to typically look like how a cPanel looks, this is going to come over here. Let's jump to that थोड़े time में. Of course, hosting वाला part we are going to cover, but just to give you an idea, the hosting वाला forms are already out on the WordPress channel. If anyone needs a hosting package, you just need to go there, fill the form, and today after this call, so I think I've already received 20 requests over there. First come first serve basis पे ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. हर एक को hosting package मिलेगा. It's just that I'll be releasing them with some time gap, because even I'll have to make sure that सारा automation that runs behind us is taken care of. Everyone will receive the individual cPanel and they can do whatever they want until and unless it's not illegal, of course. Illegal चीज़ें मत करो. बाकी the hosting package is for you, so that you can build your client websites on the top of the best hosting that I can provide for you. So yeah, about business, website questionnaire, brief, that's done. You might be wondering what's this inspiration wala part. So before inspiration, when some client listens to me, when he's listened and he's like, chalo kaam start karte hain. Now the only question that you need to ask him is, sir, I need a 50-word description of what you feel about your business, what your business idea is. Second question goes this way. Sir, I would want to know which is the best website that you have seen in your entire life till date. Doesn't matter whether it's from your business side or any other website that you know. I want the best designed or best looking website according to you. I would want to hear from you guys कि क्या क्या reason हो सकता है इसके पीछे. What might be the ultimate reason behind this? Hmm. Hmm. True. Okay. Another good response. Good responses both. Benchmark, yes, we do set a benchmark with that. But definitely, these three reasons are one of the reasons. There's one very major reason behind this, which you guys have still not answered. क्या लगता है आपको क्या reason होगा? One of, yes, but not still not the main reason. Yeah, his design taste, yes, similar, like answer तो similar ही है आपका, but फिर भी आप दूर हो आंसर से. या बोलो बोलो मैन, यस बोलो. नहीं, नॉट रियली. पैसा कमाना तो ठीक है यार, वो तो हम एनेबल करने वाले हैं उसके लिए. नो, नॉट एट ऑल. Yes, you are. Please go ahead. ओके, आप सभी लोगों के आंसर सिमिलर है ऑलमोस्ट कुछ हद तक. ऑल योर आंसर्स आर एब्सोल्युटली राइट, बट देयर इज अ वेरी बिगर सेल्फिश रीजन बिहाइंड दिस. दैट रीजन इज रिलेटेड टू यू एज अ डेवलपर. अभी मैंने एक हिंट भी दे दिया है. नहीं यार, नॉलेज तो क्या मतलब, यू आर प्रोवाइडिंग वेबसाइट सो यू नीड टू हैव अ नॉलेज अबाउट इट. नहीं, नॉट एट ऑल. नहीं. Okay, I think I think we are still far away from the answer. So let me directly get into the answer. नहीं यार, पेमेंट तो हम ही डिसाइड करते हैं. पेमेंट पेमेंट भी नहीं डिसाइड होता, डिज़ाइन से नहीं होता है. ओके, द क्वेश्चन बेसिकली वाज, okay guys, there's an echo, so someone please turn off your mic if that's the problem. And my question was again, I asked the client for their best design that they have ever seen. Of course, one part of the answer you have absolutely given, but the reason behind that answer, so the part that you said, ki, we understand the client's design benchmark according to which we can set our own benchmark, and our job is to just go one step above that benchmark. This is an appropriate answer, but the reason behind this answer is a bit weird. So I think I can directly get to the reason now. So होता ये है कि by the time you develop at least 10 different websites, what you tend to do is you look for better inspirations with every website that goes under your eyes. आपका खुद का डिज़ाइन का बेंचमार्क बढ़ते जाता है. दिक्कत ये होती है कि एज अ क्रिएटिव आर्टिस्ट you are certainly going to reach a peak point where no matter how beautiful things you end up making, you are going to be like, अरे ये क्या टट्टी चीज़ बनाया है मैंने, how sad this is, how dreadful this is. You start questioning your own creative capability. So your job might be the most wonderful design in this world, but for you eventually you're going to reach that creative block जिसको बोलते हैं. There's a block that you're going to reach where you're going to be like, कि whatever you make, you're going to feel terrible about it. And you're always going to strive to take that thing a step ahead. यहाँ पे when you ask your client about their design ideology, you know what the benchmark is. You know client को क्या पसंद आने वाला है. Then you can somewhere down the line negotiate. When you even make your best version, you compare that version with what client has given. And then you say, okay, चलो client ने जो दिया है उससे एक नहीं 10 step तो भी ऊपर है. And that is where this question comes into picture. Happens that absolutely that happens a lot, and that is one thing that's faced the most by graphic designers or UI UX guys. उन्हें तो बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत होती है इस चीज़ के साथ. So yeah, it's a standard thing, happens, no issues with that. Now let's jump to the inspiration wala tab. What exactly you'll get to see over here. For inspiration, I'm using this amazing website called dropmark.com. Dropmark.com basically is this website जहाँ पे you can drop basically all the inspirations that you have. Whichever theme I search for my client, I just copy paste the link over here. It's like a centralized folder जहाँ से the person or the client can just click on their respective particular links or ideologies that we have shared with them, the inspirations that we have shared with them, and here they can see what all demos I've chosen for them. As simple as that. So, and this basically is done with the help of this amazing website called dropmark.com. Of course, I'm not associated with them. I don't know who they are. I just use it. It's for free. So why not? So ये ready रखो. आगे जाके, yes, you are audible. Yes, go ahead. Okay. Okay. Hmm. 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 Okay. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, to some extent, yes. I'm sharing every part of my screen, so I don't know what all notifications you'll get to see, but chalo, theek hai. Yeah, so yes, your point was absolutely right. है तो सही देखो inspirations, true. Your process of doing that from Dribble, that's fantastic. I would also do that. Dribble is a good way, of course, when you want to build something of your own. WordPress में नहीं ऐसे होने वाला. WordPress में you have to heavily rely on the themes that are available. Here, when I say that I share inspirations, all you'll get to see is WordPress themes that I have chosen the best for him, and those are the ones that I've dropped over here. Of course, these four are WordPress themes. There's this one thing over here called isometric designs. So if you guys might have carefully read the brief wala section there in the design concepts, I wrote that, hey, why not choose isometric images? Build your entire website around this concept called isometric images, and I think that would suit you. And that's why, just to let the client know what isometric images are, I gave him a link of elementsenvato.com with the search term isometric images, and that's where he can get to actually understand what isometric images are. Fair enough so far, guys? कोई सवाल? यहाँ तक कोई सवाल नहीं. Perfect. So I think we are done with almost 4 modules over here. There are these two. Content sheet is basically one Google Doc sheet जहाँ पे I ask client to dump their entire raw content that they have. Doesn't matter if it's from their field, whether it's written by them, whatever they want on their website, whatever they think is useful for me to understand about their business. I just ask them to entirely dump their content over there. So this is where you make a Google sheet, you Google Doc sheet, and you just link it over here and then share it to the client. Of course, features, components, and module list. This has become redundant, especially after I've come across this plugin called Project Huddle. Project Huddle. I'll show you what exactly Project Huddle is. So before going to that, if we are building a particular website, I would want to know that now that you have built a particular version, suppose मैंने ये, let's assume that this itself is my website that I've made for my client. Now, if there is some part of this website which is faulty, which is not right, which is not correct, maybe it needs changes, maybe it needs corrections, how do you think, what would you have done to take that feedback from the client? Like आप feedback कैसे लोगे किसी client से अगर आपको, so let's assume this, the brief over here, the statement that I have written over here, I want this statement to be entirely changed. अगर client से back and forth लेना है तो आप कैसे करोगे? ओके, ओके, व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बनाओ, वहाँ पे सारा फीडबैक आते जाएगा, तो वहाँ पे आपको पूरा मैसेज टाइप करना पड़ेगा कि अरे सर, आपके वो होम पेज के फेज़ 1 के डिस्कवरी सेक्शन के ब्रीफ में जो द आउटलाइन ऑफ अ प्रोजेक्ट टास्क एंड ऑल की टास्क लिखा है, उस स्टेटमेंट को आप XYZ स्टेटमेंट में लिख दो. इतना लंबा चौड़ा फीडबैक. ओके. हाउ अबाउट दिस? ट्रू, दैट्स वन वे. और यू कैन क्रिएट लाइक अ टू डू शीट जहाँ पे वो सारे अपनी चीज़ें लिखेगा कि टास्क क्या है. इन अ टास्क फॉर्मेट बेसिकली ही राइट कि in this particular so and so section, just change this to that. That's one way we can do. Any more comment on the doc file? Okay, doc file, ठीक है, मतलब same thing. Doc file, Excel sheet, whichever it is, that's convenient. Okay, perfect. Any more approaches that you feel? Okay, take a screenshot, tell him to mark it. Perfect, works. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Design mockup. What do you exactly mean by design mockup over here? Yeah, absolutely. All your answers are right. All your answers are appropriate. अभी आपके resources पे ये depend करता है कि guys, there's someone's mic that's creating disturbance and there's an echo. So please turn it off. I think it's gone. Perfect. Okay, I'll tell you the best way to do this. Something that's available over Adobe XD as well. Something that we can use within WordPress as well. Amazing plugin called Project Huddle. What basically it allows you to do is, throughout the entire screen, it allows you to have these tool marks or tool tips where you can basically click on them. You can leave your comment. So maybe change the DP and just add the comment and you're good to go. This way, the client can add tooltips throughout the website, and this is where you can keep a track of all the comments that you're getting. There's a live demo you guys can try. ये link भी मैं share कर दूंगा. Either way, the call is getting recorded. So whatever is happening today, I think for the next half an hour or so, I'll be sharing all of it over there. So yeah, this is the first part. And see, I am just clicking over multiple places, and I can just add my own tooltip over there. So guys, someone's mic is needs to be turned off. So yeah, Project Huddle is the thing that I use right now. That's why I said that this Excel sheet wala format that I used to use initially, previously, that is something that I've discontinued. वो part तो चला गया. I don't use that anymore. I rely heavily on Project Huddle. Now prototype, of course. There are multiple people over here who are going to basically use Flywheel. Not, I think we have had this conversation yesterday. Flywheel is something that allows you to run local hosted sites. ये बेसिकली आपका लोकल सर्वर है, लोकल होस्ट है. It's an amazing, beautiful tool. You can create as many sites as you want. Of course, I think that comes with the premium and the pro version. But I'll show you. It's as easy as basically what's your site name. Maybe I'll make it test2. In advanced option, I can choose their local domain name, their local site path. Blueprint का option नहीं है. That's just something that we can enable or disable. Let's not choose a blueprint and go with continue. There's a preferred and a custom. If you go in custom, you can choose the PHP version, of course. You can choose the web server, Nginx or Apache, and you can choose the database. I'll go with the preferred one, the basic that they offer. We choose your WordPress username, choose the password, and the WordPress email, and then is this WordPress a multi-site setup? If not, just keep it no, turn it off, add a site. It takes some time to create your services. Once the services are done, all you basically need to do is click on visit site or admin and you're good to go. This is called Flywheel. Of course, it's going to ask my system password because it's going to run a local host of its own. Flywheel is the name of this platform. Let me tell you what exactly the website's link is. Yes, local WP. Perfect. It takes, so this actually takes some time initially, but once this is done, I think things become much easier after this. So I'll just quit this, taking some time. I am sharing the screen over a live stream over YouTube, and we are having a conversation over Discord. This is how it's happening right now. So if you want to see the link of this particular stream, you can go on the WordPress channel. Yeah, perfect. So yeah, guys, that is what you use for localhost. I personally use localhost when I have got a bigger project to handle on WordPress. When I have a project which is which is pretty tough in scale, which is gone a certain point जहाँ पे बहुत सारे images आ गए हैं, जहाँ पे बहुत सारा data flow हो रहा है, heavy हो गया है, and I cannot create a backup of it. What I do is I create an online version on some of the dummy domain that I have, and that dummy domain, once it is done, I use this plugin called Duplicator Pro to replicate it. Something that we learned on the last day, how to migrate your website from one local domain to the other. My voice is breaking. I also can hear someone's mic is on. Please turn on. Someone needs to turn off the mic. Guys, yeah, this is no, still the echo is still there, I guess. Yeah, bolo. Yes, you are audible. Go ahead. Yeah, okay. If you go on WordPress channel, you'll see a link shared by Elliot, and that's the live stream. That's the link to YouTube live stream where you can actually see the screen. Uh, you can basically go on the WordPress channel. On WordPress channel, you'll find a link to the YouTube live stream that's happening. Yeah, and for others as well. Is my voice still breaking? Is there any disturbance in my voice? गाइस बताओ बीच में. Okay, perfect. Okay, perfect. Yeah, I think it was taking up a lot of resources, the flywheel that I was using, so I just decided to close it down. Okay, so what I technically do is I have purchased two domains, so I'll directly show you what I've done. Botpal.me is the domain that I've purchased. No, it's already open, I guess, over here. So botpal.me is the domain that I purchased. It's just a temporary domain that I've purchased. If you actually go and see the resources, it has used a web space of almost 8,500 MB. If not this, there is c32.tech that I have. That's another domain that I've purchased. I think this is consuming more space. This is your typical cPanel, the cPanel which even you guys can obtain if you guys can claim if you guys want to actually build websites online. Websites बनाने के WordPress के दो तरीके हैं. You can use Flywheel so that you can build it on your local machine. Your local machine acts as a server over there. If not, if you want to do this completely online, just buy a temporary domain, link it to the hosting, and then for your clients you can create as many as you want. So for me it's as easy as coming to this one click installer by WordPress, come to this part where add Avalon army test. चलो Avalon army काफ़ी, Avalon army 01. All I have to do is install WordPress, and once this entire setup is done, all I need to do is go on that live link and get my initial setup done, and then I can do everything online. This is I do this when I know that I just have to do this for a client जिसका website बहुत छोटा है, chill है, ज़्यादा दिमाग को कट नहीं है. ये stream sniping नाम का बकचोदी यहाँ पे please मत करो. I know you guys have link and access to this. Let's keep it very, very great. Paul's amazing. This is also live now. Chat here doesn't matter. It's just one of my dummies that I use only and only for my temporary websites that I make. Install WordPress and that's it. That's good to go. ये stream बहुत ज़्यादा edit करनी पड़ेगी हमें Elliot. Yeah, we just have to get rid of this stream. Or rather, we'll just download this and do something with it. Like re-upload it again. But no sweat. I think this in itself gets the entire WordPress setup done and sorted for me. And this is where on top of which I actually start building website for my clients. ये बन गया एक बार setup, then I have everything online. I just forward this particular link to my clients so that they can keep a live track of whatever I am doing. Like these are the only steps that you need to take to get your website up and running. And इसके ऊपर आपको customizations करने हैं. So this is the part I was talking about. Either buy your own domain, host it, and then build multiple layers of sort of, I won't call this subdomain. You can call this as branch domains, and you can build as many websites as you want, just to showcase to your clients. If they are at some other part of the city, it's not convenient for you to be. Because अगर local host का आपको दिखाना है तो basically you have to get him on a video call. You have to share him your screen. फिर client सिर्फ आपके through ही देख पाएगा. So this is a preferable way. खरीद लो एक domain, host कर दो उसे, and then start building all your client websites on that one single domain and start showcasing those. So that is one way that you guys can do. Fair enough with this entire domain wala part, the two thing, the local and the domain that you can buy and show it to your clients. हाँ बोलो please. Zamp है, Bitnami है. True. I've seen Zamp. Zamp is the oldest. Bitnami is also super old. So I'll tell you what I've done. So Flywheel I got acquainted because of one of the Avalonians on the WordPress channel. Uh, Flywheel even I was not aware of for at least like till a week ago or something. तब तक मुझे भी नहीं पता था फ्लाईव्हील क्या चीज़ है. बट व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग फ्लाईव्हील आई फिगर्ड आउट इट्स सुपर फास्ट, इट्स सुपर इंटुइटिव, इट्स सुपर क्लीन. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. इट्स वे फास्टर देन बिटनामी एंड जैम. दैट्स व्हाई आई चोज टू let everyone know about the flywheel wala thing. Or else if flywheel wouldn't have been in picture, I would have still recommended Bitnami or Zamp. Try, give it a shot. It's super fast. I think it's built either on Electron JS or Python. Not really sure. One of those, I'm pretty sure. So far so good guys. यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया प्रोटोटाइप के लिए कैसे करना है. Yeah, please. No, no, nothing is stupid. Please go ahead. I recommend the second part because that's what I'm doing over here. You see over here, these are all my clients that I've just hosted over here. And this is just one account, by the way. This is the most chill account for the clients which are very static ones. Like मेरे सारे static clients इसी पे जाते हैं on this particular package. What I've done is I've got a super premium package available given by EcoWeb Hosting, which has all the resources which are pretty much not pretty much, everything is unlimited. Only the mail IDs, the email IDs, there is a cap of 10 GB per mailbox, but even number of email IDs are unlimited. And I have to pay, I think, £19 extra for, I'm not really sure, for a month or a year if I want to expand the email inbox. Baki sub unlimited. Storage unlimited, bandwidth unlimited, database is unlimited. Everything is pretty much unlimited over here. So when you go on that certain stage where you have built enough websites so that you have enough money, because trust me, I've paid enough for this. The annual cost is £299, and I've paid till, I think it's somewhere over here. Let's not go into that section, but I've paid till December 2021 for this. Hmm. Yes. All you need to do is give me, so anyone over here right now with an available domain, someone who knows that they want to build a website for their client right now. Come on guys, फ्री में एक hosting मिलने वाला है सिर्फ अभी के अभी. अच्छा, even if it's for you, that's absolutely cool. Tell me, what's your domain? Have you purchased it already? This is for someone who's already purchased their domain and they have it. बोलो. बताओ बताओ नाम बताओ, डोमेन का नाम बताओ. DESYNE. Is it correct? Am I typing correct? .com.in. नहीं चलेगा, प्रैक्टिस के लिए भी रहने तो फर्क नहीं पड़ता. ईमेल आईडी बताओ. व्हाट्स योर ईमेल आईडी? सॉरी. हम्म. DALSANIYA. Correct. What's after this? Perfect. All the things that you see on the screen are correct. My friend Dhruv, all the details that you see on the screen, are they correct? Yeah, perfect. Creating hosting package. Let it take its own sweet time. I think it takes like 5, 10, 15 seconds, I think, in the background. But yeah, let that happen. Whenever that's going to happen, you're going to receive a mail. That mail is going to include everything. I want you to read out that mail once you receive that mail. Once, like, we have like decent 5, 10 minutes time gap in between. So yeah, I think package बन चुका है. He has got his email, and these are the two name servers that you need to add on your internet service. So internet क्या बोल रहा हूँ यार? Domain service providers name server section, and that way you can basically link this hosting to your domain name, and you in your mail might have received your custom login for your domain. So please go and check that, and whenever you have that, and whenever I will be taking a break in between, you can just read out that mail for everyone over here. By the way, congratulations for your hosting, and I do expect app coins from you or from everyone who is basically taking this hosting service because पैसे सबके भरे हैं मेरे जेब से भरे हैं. If I'm enabling you, I can at least expect app coins for this. So yeah, coming back to this particular section, now we are directly on the proposal wala part. Let me just open up the proposal and show it to you कि proposal कैसे बनाते हैं. Everyone here so far on the same page with me? Perfect. So this is the proposal that I've made for my clients. C32 Media Labs to actuarial empowering brands in the world of digital chaos. A typical who we are a combination of writers, developers, thinkers, blah blah blah. What we can do for you. So I had to basically make a mix of marketing and website for this client. So you'll see a lot of marketing stuff as well. But we basically set a foundation for our client. Then we have segmentation of audience, helping them decide what they can target, who they can target. And then there is campaign execution. Not just the website execution, but even the campaign execution or strategy execution. That is what we do. How does it work? We basically brainstorm, develop, and deploy. There's a typo over here. It should be how does it work, not works. Just exclude that part. So website are way ahead. These are all the services I am going to provide, which even you guys have to provide. And I think pretty much everything that I have on this sheet is what you can provide in your particular package. A domain name at max 700 to 1000. You're not going to charge any commission for that. You're basically not going to be a middleman. You can help them understand कहाँ से खरीदना है. Guys, I have figured out one thing. GoDaddy से please मत खरीदो. Very terrible service. Very terrible post sale service. Go for Namecheap. That's one of the best websites that you can buy your domain names from. That's one thing. Second thing, domain privacy. For something as important as domain privacy, all the other domain service providers, they're going to charge you. Namecheap won't charge you. At least I've come across Namecheap to be the only one who doesn't charge. If there's any other one which is a good domain name service provider, you can just add it and you can just let me know over here. Then there is hosting. Hosting also something that is included in my package. I provide that for free. SSL and security. I have a premium subscription of Cloudflare. That is something that I use for CDN. That is what I actually use for security, DDoS attacks as well. That is what I give my clients free of cost. That's included in this package. Then there are email services. So initially I used to provide 5 dedicated business email servers served over Zoho Mail. Zoho Mail has transitioned a lot through time. Zoho Mail, I think 2 years before, used to provide 25 email IDs for free. Now they have got down to 5 email IDs and 5 GB ka limit. So Zoho is not really reliable. Fortunately, my web hosting service itself has their own email service. So I don't really rely on Zoho. So this part is going to get corrected. Design and creative, a complete static website for your organization. Themes and customization. Website includes a premium custom made theme. So again, this was for this particular client. So what was custom made, that is what I included over here. But mostly it was based on, so for you guys, it's going to be like Theme Forest se utha lo ya Elements Envato se utha lo. That's one of the other places that you can pick up the themes from. Not really sure if I am at a position to provide themes for free as well, because I have reached a particular stage where I have purchased this subscription of elementsenvato.com. For most of you who are not aware what exactly Elements Envato is, it's like this unlimited subscription based service where you can directly go and have access to stock videos, video templates, music sound effects, presentation templates, photos, add-ons, and the best part, you have got WordPress, you have got Elementor template kits, you have got plugins, and you have got themes. Everything is licensed over here. So all I need to do is download a license along with whatever I'm downloading. I have access to premium. They've got a huge repository. I'm not really sure if I am right now in a position to provide this for free, but if you can come up with a convincing sales pitch that yes, this is what you want to build, this is what you want to do for your clients, and this is where you want to see yourself. If you commit to me that you want to progress in your life and you could convince me that I deserve one theme, one license from you for my client, what I'm doing right now for my money, doing it all by myself, being that hustler guy, I would give this theme for you. A small sort of commitment from my end. That's the theme and customization wala part. Maintenance, the biggest fraud of this industry, by the way. I'm sorry, I couldn't get you. What were you saying? Hmm. अच्छा, होस्टिंग का. अरे भाई, क्यों डाला है? आर यू श्योर? मतलब पासवर्ड गायब करके डाला है ना, पासवर्ड हटा के डाला है? ओके, स्मार्ट इनफ, सो सॉरी. या. Yeah, perfect, man, perfect. So yeah, glad that you've added that on added that screenshot on the channel. That basically shows what all services you would get, and that's like your own custom login that you have. So everyone who's going to make use of my WordPress hosting service, they're going to have their own custom login. So I am not going to. I do have. So as an admin, I would have access to mess around with your entire account, but come on यार, खुद के पैसे पैसे से तुम लोगों के लिए कर रहा हूँ मैं, क्या क्या ही मतलब करूँगा उसके साथ. Just make the most out of it, and that's all I want for you guys. So yeah, grow how much you want to grow with it. But again, Farzigiri, the biggest fraud of the industry, called maintenance. Maintenance is understandable when you're building a particular website for your clients. When you build something, it's understandable that there are going to be bugs that you need to fix with time. WordPress, not really. You won't really come across any WordPress bug. If there is an update of a particular plugin that has gone rogue, you can anytime restore to your previous version. So I don't really charge my clients for maintenance. I basically have minor updates here and there. If then they're not really work based, but they are time based. If anything that the client demands, कि यार एक पेज ऐड करना है, पूरा एक फीचर ऐड करना है, plugin ऐड करना है, any task that is going to take me more than 3 hours, I charge for that. That is what even you guys should do, because now that you are just going to start at this initial stage, it's important for you that you make sure that you get more and more trust building, the relationship building happening with the client. The more you build trust, the more beautiful customer service you provide, the better it becomes for you. That's at some point in time that client is going to refer you to even other clients. There's one thing that I can tell you right now. You won't still see a fully fledged C32 Media Labs ka WordPress website. You won't see a social media presence. You won't see anything at all, because I never was in a position to build something like that. I have started doing this since December 2017, 18ish. From then till date, I never had to walk towards a client. I never had to approach anyone. The initial days were difficult, but December से लेके March तक का time सिर्फ difficult था when I was doing the Just Dial वाला thing. March I got the GoDaddy वाला contract, and after that I never had to approach anyone. It was all about my customer service, because of which कोई ना कोई तो client किसी और को refer कर देता था. Till date, I think it's been like, it's what, 2020 now. So far, not a single client, and I can boast about it. Not a single client where I had to go and walk and convert. Of course, I've done that for social media. If you ask me for social media, yes. For advertising, yes. But for website development, I never had to do that. It was all about my customer service, the way I connected with my clients, the kind of intricate small nuances I allowed them to have. आपको ये चीज़ पे सबसे ज़्यादा फोकस करना है, बिकॉज हर कोई आज वेबसाइट बना रहा है, हर कोई आज सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, हर कोई आज एसएमएम बन रहा है. आप अलग कैसे हो? इट्स ऑल गोइंग टू रिलाई ऑन द काइंड ऑफ कस्टमर सर्विस यू प्रोवाइड. सो बी फ्रेंडली, गिव सम फ्रीबीज एट द इनिशियल स्टेज. चाहिए होगा तो काम इनिशियली फ्री में करवा दो. जब आप फ्री में कोई अच्छा काम करा के देते हो ना, क्लाइंट खुद इतना खुश हो जाता है, खुद से आपको पैसे दे देता है. सेम थिंग हैपेंड फॉर मी. आई कैन स्टिल नेवर फॉरगेट द फर्स्ट क्लाइंट दैट आई हैव हैड, Imperial SD. Imperial SD, I'm not even sure if he's still alive, what he's doing, what time ho gaya hai. Not alive as in the work or the business or the any part of it is alive. He is literally a person who used to sell tiffins in Pune. अरे नहीं यार, मर नहीं गया बंदा, प्लीज ऐसे मत करो. He is alive, he's perfect. I'm talking about his business. When I say alive, about his business is what I'm talking about. Yeah, exactly. So the thing is, He's basically, in your typical terms, a dabawala. He provides food, he provides canteen services. But if you just go and check his client, he provides industrial catering, corporate catering, event hospitality, catering, student messes, and canteens. This is the first website that I've made. Just look at the kind of clients that he's built so far. Mercedes, Credit Suisse, WS, John Deere, Pune Zilla Parishad, Pune Municipal Corporation, Nvidia, DRDO. I think this is CBSC or I'm not really sure. BITS Technology, BITS Birla Institute of Technology and Science, EDP, Principal, Phenolics, Startup, and the TCS. Crazy amount of clients. Oh, figured out there's a bug and I have to fix this. Perfect, ये fix करवा लूँगा मैं. But this happened to be one of the very first clients that I've had, and this is the website that I made for him. Beautiful is I still remember this sweet simple animation that I had for him because of this theme called Salient that I used for my client. ये चीज़ मैंने बनाई थी, ये चीज़ से सारी चीज़ें स्टार्ट हुई है, and for you guys as well, give that perfect customer service. कौन सी चीज़? क्या चीज़ कहा आपने अभी? हाँ, इंपीरियल पे क्या? See that the thing over here, it was the menu wala thing. It's just a simple menu animation. It's provided by the theme itself. Salient is the theme that I have used for this client. Okay, coming back. Are we guys still on the same page? A cat got your tongue. No, I paid. Okay. I didn't even pay for this one. Okay. Perfect story behind this theme as well. So one of my friends who recently started his job as a developer, he purchased this theme for one of his clients, and his client backed off at the last moment. So my dear friend Raj Amit Singh, he decided to just give away that theme for free for me. So that's how I had a first premium theme for my client without spending a single money on that. So this is what at times happens. You have to connect with friends, you have to make friends, and you have to build ecosystems with friends. Right now for you guys, I am here. I am more than happy and available to help out with these initial things because ये जो initial खर्चे हैं आपके, I believe I am at a position where I can definitely help you out with this. I'll get rid of your initial kharchas, build something of your own, make me proud, and then आगे तो क्या है? If I'm doing this for you, someday you might end up doing this for someone else. So that's how I want to take this ahead. Hmm. Hmm. देखो लाइसेंस तो सिंगल होता है. मॉरली एंड एथिकली आई वुड से कि आपने वो सिंगल वेबसाइट में यूज़ करनी चाहिए बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट द टर्म से. अगर फ्रैंकली देखा जाए, इफ़ यू रियली वांट टू गो इनटू द लीगैलिटीज ऑफ इट, लेट मी टेल यू समथिंग. वर्डप्रेस, yeah, there's an extended license which you can go for, or you can buy the same thing multiple times because sometimes extended license are way expensive, so not really possible. Hmm. देखो प्रैक्टिस के लिए तो मैं अभी एक चीज़ पे आ रहा हूँ. सो दिस वाज द कंट्रोवर्शियल पार्ट ऑफ इट. देखो अभी, so I'll explain the entire licensing concept that happens within WordPress ecosystem. WordPress basically falls under GPL. GPL is General Public License. It's pretty much open source. So अगर आप किसी डेवलपर के नाक के नीचे से भी अगर थीम चोरी करते हो या फिर उसके सामने भी चोरी करते हो, and I'm using the word चोरी, even if you do that, the developer cannot do anything because he have himself written that this is a WordPress ka thing, WordPress ka theme. So WordPress as it by default falls under GPL. You can use it the way you want. अनफॉर्चुनेटली इसके वजह से दिक्कत ये होती है कि डेवलपर्स नहीं कमा सकते. सो आई एम पर्सनली अ डेवलपर. सम ऑफ यू आर गोइंग टू बी फ्यूचर डेवलपर्स. हाउ टेरेबल यू वुड फील दैट the theme that you have taken so many efforts, or the Android application that you have taken so many efforts, ये सारी चीज़ें आपको कहीं ग्रे मार्केट में या ब्लैक मार्केट में मिल जाए, it's not really a good thing. It hurts the developers, their conscience, it hurts their pockets. So if you are in a position to pay for a theme, please pay for a theme. If your client is an understanding candidate who understands कि theme को pay करना, because आप जब theme के लिए pay करते हो, it's not the theme that you pay for, it's for the support that you pay for, it's the services. If there's any bug, if anything goes wrong, if anything goes sideways, you can basically get in touch with the developer, and that developer is liable to work on that bug for you. That is basically covered under Team Forest ka services ka contract. So that's what it is. If you don't buy, not he can put in virus, it's not about him, but there are so many attacks, malwares that are basically combined or patched along with your themes, and that can basically harm your website, that can harm your entire ecosystem. So though that entire concept is called as null themes, हर किसी चीज़ का, हर किसी थीम का आपको null version मिल जाएगा, but you have to always be safe, because this has happened with a few of my clients, not my clients really, my acquaintances who I know who have done this, जहाँ पे what they have done is they were using some shit expensive server, like I think DigitalOcean, yeah, they were using DigitalOcean. What happened particularly over there was there was a Bitcoin miner attached to that particular theme. That particular theme was installed on the server, and that miner basically got spread throughout the server, because of which what happened, the resources were just shot up like crazy. That kid who was using his dad's credit card for DigitalOcean, सुबह जब वो नींद से उठा $500 का बिल फट चुका था. If you don't want to get into such mess, I would recommend not using any nulled WordPress theme. But more than that part, I think it's more of a moral responsibility to pay to developer for which he has taken such a great amount of effort. Fair enough? Absolutely. See, there's always this good thing called inspiration. You can always take it. And see, sometimes I'll tell you what happens with a designer or a developer, or me personally. If tomorrow I see someone copying, like literally copying word by word what I've done, that makes me happy. That literally makes me happy. That shit, man, I've made this design so crazy that someone felt the need of copying it. सो ये कॉपी वाला जो सीन है ना, इससे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है किसी भी डिजाइनर. रादर इट गिव्स देम एन ईगो बूस्ट, इट गिव्स देम अ मॉरल बूस्ट, इट मेक्स देम हैप्पी that someone has actually copied me. Like they would flaunt it. Heck, if I find someone who has copied me, I would literally take screenshots and share it everywhere. So yeah, that way. See, so again, that's one part that I was going to come to. जहाँ पे आप अगर थीम अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते, अगर आप चाहते हो कि आपको क्लाइंट्स के लिए चीज़ें बनानी है स्क्रैच से, I think that's going to be covered in our tomorrow or day after tomorrow's session, where we are going to talk about Elementor. Elementor is such a sophisticated theme builder that almost anything and everything can be built on top of it. So yeah. So I think it's already 11:09, 11:10 right now. Let's wrap up this entire thing quickly and wrap up today's session. So yeah, simple search engine optimization. It's pretty much dead in 2020, guys, by the way. You need to do your basic meta description, your titles, and few things here and there, and that's it. Because even Google is saying that you start providing quality content, we'll make sure and we'll take care of the rankings. So SEO has always been tricky, is still going to be tricky no matter what sort of optimization you do for SEO. कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है. Eventually it's Google who's going to decide on the kind of quality that you deliver. So the basic SEO is what you can do for your clients. Social media integrations and sharing, that's what you can do. You can literally link your current Facebook page or Instagram can be linked to your WordPress website. That's what you can do. Sharing, making sure that the sharing feature is available so that you can share your individual website on multiple platforms. That's what you can do. Not just Google Analytics, but Google Tag Manager, Google Search Console. Those integrations can be taken care of by you so that the client also has an absolute idea कि सारी चीज़ें चल कैसी रही है. There are chat systems like drift.com, not really sure it's drift.com or drift.io, one of those services. Let us check. Drift. Yeah, it's drift.com, I believe. Drift.com is this amazing chat service that you can have on your screens or for your clients. It's like a chatbot if you pay for it. If not, you can literally have this app installed on your phone. So something like this. When people try to have a conversation with you on your website, you receive an immediate notification on your mobile app and you can have a conversation. I won't really recommend this because इसके लिए अगर आपके पास कोई एक बंदा है जो 24/7 एज अ कस्टमर सपोर्ट बैठ रहा है, only then you should go for this, or else it's pretty risky because हो ये चाहता है कि by the time you get online to respond to that person, a person has a particular patience level of 10 to 15 seconds. 10-15 सेकंड के बाद क्लाइंट गायब हो जाएगा. It doesn't make sense if you're going to have that delay. So if not this, what you can do is you can just have something what I've built for Ink Feathers right now. There is this option that allows you to basically link your website to your WhatsApp account. So when you are on your PC, you can basically redirect them to your WhatsApp web. If you are on your phone, you can redirect them to your what you can say WhatsApp account or your WhatsApp Messenger. So this is one great option that you guys can have. That's what you can include under chat system. Content is something chargeable, and since this was one of the cheapest websites, 15,000 flat, all inclusive. So this is what basically covers the entire website wala part. 15,000 is what I've charged. And then again, here are services. Again, these are all the marketing wala parts. These are the marketing wala deliverables. Something that we can do in our upcoming sessions. Few of the website designs that I have for my clients. Few of the social media creatives that I've made for my clients and their samples. That's what I stick, and this is how a typical proposal should be. Proposal I'm not going to share because I know one thing. What I've written over here and here, this is something that's pretty sophisticated. I know I'm going to take care of the YouTube link, so I'm going to share the tricks with you. I'm going to share how you write your own proposal. I won't really be sharing my proposal with you, but I'll definitely help you with this entire journey of building your own proposal. Okay, now that we have done this entire proposal wala part, that pretty much ends the entire dashboard that I have. There is of course a contract, invoice, receipt and feedback. I can talk about contracts over here. Contractbook.com. So contractbook.com is the service that I use for building contracts with my clients. Because I've no doubt I have faced this, even you guys are going to face this at some point in time. Client भाग जाएगा, client नौटंकी करने वाला है, client पैसे नहीं देगा, client कुछ भी कर सकता है. You need to make sure that all your legalities are right in place. I'll just show you how a typical random contract looks like. Let's see if I have the scope to sign into this. Yeah, someone has a question over here. Please go ahead. Not really. I haven't had any contract content writer as such. I do everything by myself right now, at least, of course. बट ये सारी चीज़ें आपको खुद ही करनी पड़ती है. From content to graphic designing to making sure things are right in place to dealing with customers to dealing with your clients to deal with their headaches. Of course, I can talk about my current agency right now, the way I do it right now, but that's not going to make sense for you guys. Because I know there are so many people over here who are basically going to be running solo, or they are going to be doing this with just one other friend of theirs. So even if you're going to do this with one of your friends, I'll be making sure that in upcoming sessions, how to even write. So when I say that when I'm going to teach everything about WordPress, I'm also going to teach how to write your own content, how to build the UI, how to decide what the UX ka procedures are. All of that is going to get covered in the subsequent sections. So yeah, relax about it. I'll definitely make sure that that part gets covered. So everyone on same page with me. We are just going to check this contract that we have, contract book, the tool that I use for signing contracts with my clients. Let's see consultant agreement over here. Guys, am I gone silent or everyone is silent all of a sudden? Okay, perfect. Okay, perfect. So contract books बहुत sorted चीज़ है. what you can basically do is contract का title आप बना सकते हो, आपकी company का logo डाल सकते हो, who all are the parties included. Either that can be a party, it can be an individual person. If it's a person, you can write that person's full name, and then they are thereby referred as either a company or a consultant. The entire contract is pre-made, it's templated, सब कुछ लिखा हुआ है. All you need to do is add duties if you have any, add payment का amount if there is, add the duration of the project, the limited liability, confidentiality, other terms, the country, and the jurisdiction, all the project tasks, all the milestones, special conditions if any, and the signatures, the number of people who are going to sign, signing order, who's going to sign first, who's going to sign second. जो बंदा sign करता है, for him it's pretty straightforward. So the signees are added over here. Here's any attachment if you want to add, but it's a pro feature, so definitely not available. सामने वाले बंदे को आपने साइन करने के बाद जो मेल जाएगा उसका कंटेंट आप यहाँ पे लिख सकते हो, एंड द एंटायर सिग्नेचर थिंग हैपेंस ओवर SMS. So it's as straightforward as, so let's try and do a dummy sign. Okay, not valid. I need to add all the fields. Chalo chhado yaar, doesn't matter. All I need to do is when I sign and send, I'll receive an OTP over my phone number, and this contract gets signed by me. It's basically a digital contract, so it gets signed by my SMS and my IP address, and then the contract goes to the client. The client reads the entire contracts, and then until unless the client signs the contract, you don't start with your work. बिकॉज जब तक ये सारे कंडीशंस आप आपके क्लाइंट के साथ रिटन तरीके से एडिट नहीं करते हो, यहाँ पे नहीं डालते हो, आई वुड पर्सनली से आई हैव गॉट चीटेड एटलीस्ट 50 different times. By the way, there's a full text editing option over here. All of the text that you have throughout the website can be edited. A very straightforward way to make sure that there is some written document, because according to Indian Penal Code, and I'll tell you what all sections also you can charge to your client. There's section 505, 506, 420. So these are the 3 IPC sections that you can use when a client commits fraud with you. Everything needs to be written somewhere, whatever sort of contract that you have with your client, कि आप क्या deliver करने वाले हो, आप client से क्या expect कर रहे हो, payments के terms क्या होंगे, कितना advance मिलेगा, कितना काम के बीच में मिलेगा, कितना काम खत्म होने तक मिलेगा, ये सारी चीज़ें आपको लिखनी ज़रूरी है, और ये सारी चीज़ें आप इस contract पे लिख सकते हो. It's a free service. Go on contractbook.com and you can make use of this. Yes, go ahead. 5055, 506. Let me read it out 1 second. I'm pretty sure I just read it yesterday somewhere. Somewhere नहीं यार, मैंने मेरे client को ही message करा था because he was pretty much messing with me. Payment दे नहीं रहा था. So yeah, I'll literally tell you what all literal terms that you can write. I'll read it out. If you had a problem with my work, you would have asked to stop it. You could have given a feedback and taken a decision accordingly. But for work is already done, you are bound by law to pay for the labor. On a mutual respect and as an acquaintance, you were never even charged in advance. My mistake. मैंने कभी advance लिया ही नहीं था बंदे से. But if this is how you wish to go, you'd be given a week's time to take care of your commitments, after which you'll be charged under section 405. Sorry, it's not 505. It's 405, 406, which falls under the criminal breach of trust, owing a property or owning a property, section 66 of IT Act, and section 420 of fraud. So these are all the sections under which you can charge your clients if they end up messing with you. बट यू नीड टू हैव अ रिटन डॉक्यूमेंट. मेरे पास रिटन डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं था, बट फॉर्चुनेटली वीडियो कॉल्स थे हमारे, स्काइप कॉल्स का रिकॉर्डिंग था, हमारे ऑडियो कॉल्स की रिकॉर्डिंग्स थे, एंड दैट्स हाउ आई कुड यूज़ इट. बट मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, इफ़ यू गाइज वांट टू वर्क विद एनी क्लाइंट, प्लीज़, इट्स अ फ्री सर्विस, contractbook.com. Go for it, make the most of it. And I think that sums up the entire today's session, covers up almost everything where how the initial stage of dealing with client should happen. There's someone's mic is turned on. Please turn it off. So today's session was all about just initial how you deal with client, what happens, how I do it for my clients. Moving forward tomorrow, or rather today itself, what I'm going to do is after this session, maybe within like next 15-20 minutes, I'll post an Excel sheet which I'll be editing live, which you guys can also edit live. I'll create 2 sheets within that Excel document, It's basically going to be a Google Sheets. On the first page, I'll be writing the entire agenda. Moving forward, हर रोज हम क्या cover करेंगे, and on the second sheet, you guys can write feedbacks. You can write your inputs. You guys can write over there as to what all you want me to cover, and accordingly, I'll try to cover almost entirety of the WordPress for you. Today's part was all about how to deal with clients, what are those few nuances that you can take care of, how is it that you can build an entire support system for your client. Even if you don't have this plugin, if you don't find it anywhere, get in touch with me. I have an extended license for it, which I'm more than happy to share it with you guys. Of course, don't just spam me. आराम से हर एक को मिलेगा, और I'll just make sure that I have some place where I get all the licenses approved. I just need your names, your Avalon names, your email IDs, and the client that you're going to work this for. That way, I'll just prepare the licenses for you. So yeah, that pretty much sums up today's session. I've tried to cover how to deal with client, how to work with them. Like, we're not going to wrap up. I'm still going to be here for 15-20 minutes to answer all your questions. So please go ahead with your questions now. One at a time, guys. Chalo, bolo. Yeah. Acha, okay. Desktop audio. Okay, चलो करते हैं शो. Tell me, how should I do this? Settings. How? Okay. Sources and scenes. Now I have a plus and minus over here. यहाँ से scene 2 तो नहीं बनेगा. अच्छा, one at a time. आप बोलो, मैं follow करूँगा. Elliot, I think I'll listen to you first. Go ahead, tell me. Okay, settings. This is preference. This is settings. There is output. There is audio. Okay, you mean to say this? Yeah, but I see there's just one option over here. See, this is what I have over here. One. There's mic auxiliary audio, mic. That's all I have over here. ये बाकी के ये दो तो बंद है, मतलब इसमें कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है. It's just disabled for some reason. Audio input capture. Let's do this. So you mean to say, should I choose built-in microphone? I am just following your instruction, guys. You tell me क्या करना है. Okay. होना तो चाहिए. Whatever it is, see, question and answers either way. See, record hona, nahi hona. I know that's a bit tough task. It was the first day. I personally have never had an experience with this. I think before tomorrow's session, I'll personally sit with Elliot and figure out all the logistics of it. But right now, let's not stop people from asking questions. आज का ठीक है, एक दिन क्वेश्चन मिस कर जाएगी कुछ लोग, बट ठीक है, क्या ही है, हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं, आप सब लोग सीखने वाले हैं. If someone ends up having this question, you be the ones to answer those questions. So yes, the first question that I had, please go ahead with it. Oh, I know. I think it's because of the audio. I think इसी वजह से हो सकता है. Let's try and just remove this. This is all going good before this. Audible to everyone. Perfect. Let's go for the questions. Uh, for this particular plugin, I have an extended license, but I would ये जो plugin है client portal, I have a fair enough working version of this and I have an extended license. I'll soon release a form for this, but before that extended license, I need to really talk to the developer. Can I do it something like this? Because I know I am using this for all my clients, but can I do the same for you? Because hosting तो मैं आपको दे सकता हूँ, वो तो मैंने कंपनी से बात कर ली है. I just need to talk to the developer himself कि can I make your use of extended license in this particular fashion. If not, we'll figure out some way where we can come up with a better solution for this entire client dashboard that I have for my clients. Hmm. Okay, questions please. Hmm. अरे ये लाइव हो रहा है तो ये प्रीमियर हो गया ऑलरेडी, ये वही का वही रहने वाला है. हम्म. कर लेंगे यार, मतलब कर ही लेंगे. Of course, I'll try to share the best in my, yes, I'll try to add the best in my capacity. Yeah, perfect, works. Now, some genuine WordPress related questions and not the other off topic questions, please. Dude, frankly speaking, I've been doing this for more than 7 years. I don't really have a quantifiable time, but let me tell you something. If you practice enough, I'll tell you something about WordPress. Okay, is it fine now? Is it audible now? Okay. Okay. Let's try to see if there's an issue. I'll just try to change my mic or I'll try to do something else. So okay. So so for WordPress, if you guys practice enough, so one of my co-founders, he had no tech background, but he really wanted to build WordPress websites for his clients because हम दोनों के पास लोड बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा था. We were not able to handle clients single handedly. I was not able to do that. This person, no technical background at all, he learnt entire WordPress ecosystem within 3 weeks. WordPress is all about trial and error. The more you practice, the more better you become. That's how easy it is. If you keep on practicing it, like spend 5 hours a day, try to build 10, 15, 20 dummy websites. Dummy website बनाना मतलब क्या है? Let me tell you, फर्क क्या होता है सारे websites में. Internal ecosystem is almost the same. There are two best theme builders, or yeah, theme builders, that's what literally you can say, or WordPress editors, theme editors or theme builders. One is WP Bakery and second is Elementor. If you have grasp of these, if you know how they work, I think you're good to go. That's the only thing that you need. There are few things here and there pretty standard in nature. It's all about practice. So if you practice enough, I think 2 or 3 weeks are more than enough for you to become way more efficient than any other random person. See, for learning, I would say yes. For clients, I am not really sure because till date, I've never come across free themes that are so amazing that can provide you all the features and services that you want. If it's not about the theme, I'll tell you what it is all about. It is about the theme builder that you're going to use. If you choose any free theme that supports Elementor, I would recommend going for that. Or even if you choose a baseline theme supported by Elementor, आप Elementor plugin खरीद लो अगर आपको उसके प्रीमियम सर्विसेज चाहिए. द फ्री वन इज ऑल्सो मोर देन अनफ, बट इफ यू हैव दैट कैपेसिटी टू गेट वन सिंगल लाइसेंस टू बिल्ड फॉर ऑल योर क्लाइंट्स, नहीं यार वैसे नहीं चलता है. बट फ्री वाला इज ऑल्सो मोर देन अनफ. गो फॉर द फ्री वन, मेक द मोस्ट यूज ऑफ इट. एलिमेंट और सीख लो, आई थिंक दैट्स मोर देन अनफ. अरे नहीं यार, सब कुछ है एलिमेंटोर में, सब कुछ है. अगर एलिमेंटोर नहीं है तो देन यूज दिस थिंग कॉल्ड येलो पेंसिल. येलो पेंसिल अलाउस यू, देयर इज येलो पेंसिल, देयर इज ओरिजिन CSS. it allows you to have any levels of customization, so उसका कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Astra, WordPress is meant for those who don't know how to code at all. Till date, I rarely am in a situation where I have to touch a piece of code. CSS आना पड़ता है. CSS is a good piece of code that you can learn. CSS is not really coding. CSS में क्या है? किसी बॉक्स के एज को राउंड शेप में बनाना है, किसी चीज़ का कलर चेंज करना है, किसी का शेप एंड साइज चेंज करना है, फॉन्ट का साइज ऊपर नीचे करना है, ऑल द डिज़ाइन एंड एस्थेटिक एलिमेंट्स, वहाँ पे CSS आता है. इट्स ओके टू लर्न CSS, इट्स नॉट एट ऑल ह्यूज. बहुत छोटी चीज़ है, CSS सीख लो, बहुत सही चीज़ है. CSS में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. बाकी आई हैव नेवर बीन इन अ सिचुएशन वेर आई हैड टू लिटरली गो एंड टच कोड. So basically, WordPress is for those who want to build something substantial without even touching code. More question, guys. सार्थक बोलो. Dummy websites in 5 steps. See, अभी steps अगर देखे जाए तो technically steps wise it's not really possible, because there's no particular way which will be the deciding factor in helping you understand what is going to be the first step. According to me, the first step is creating a package itself on the hosting platform. That can be the first step for me. For someone else, किसी के पास ऑलरेडी एक वर्डप्रेस का इंस्टेंस बना हुआ है, उसके लिए अलग हो गया. हम्म. 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 See, if you have a domain, if you have hosted it, the first step you need to do is install WordPress. That's the literal first step that you have. Once that is done, the second thing is you have to delete all the kachra that you have, the additional kachra that you have. The best way to do that, or the second step, you can do it in entire one step, that is using the plugin WP Reset. I always do it whenever I install any instance. WP Reset, RESET. And also not the most latest version. The latest version, they have gone pretty expensive with it. Everything is chargeable. Use the version 1.50. You can basically go on wordpress.org and choose the older version and build on top of it. Like, just download that 1.50 version. All you need to do is install that plugin, hit the reset button, and it entirely deletes everything and just leaves the core WordPress files right the way they are. Deletes the extra plugins, extra kachra, extra comments, extra pages, everything. Next step is ये हो गया. फिर सी अगर ये हो गया तो थीम इंस्टॉल कर लो जो आपको चाहिए. दैट्स द अनदर थिंग. themeforest.net. Themeforest is one. That's the only place where you'll find WordPress themes. Beyond that, there is elements.envato. Elements Envato is basically a subscription based thing. It's like your Netflix for almost entirety of the uh, internet related stuff, like stock videos bhi milenge, photos bhi milenge, graphics milenge, vectors milenge, and then you'll also find WordPress ka huge repository over there. I basically paid for it. I think it's $199 annual. If you are in a position to pay that much, you also get licenses with those themes over there. So that is where you can get $199 for everything, unlimited for an entire year. Yeah, it's like Netflix, exactly. It's like Netflix. It's a subscription-based thing, and if you can't really afford that, then you can go on themeforest.net. Choose an individual theme for your client. Buy that theme. You can get themes anywhere between the range of $19 to $100. Install, yeah. Okay, let him finish first. I think we are still on step 3 or 4. Let him finish his question first. Hmm. 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 See, it's a paid platform. It's an absolute paid platform. But if you want to really practice, join me for tomorrow's session because tomorrow I'm literally going to explain how that's going to happen. कि आप प्रीमियम थीम या गो अहेड. Yes, absolutely. So, uh, yeah, our friend over here has made a perfect, amazing point. I agree with him. Null themes and theme platforms like WP Locker. Let me clear this one thing. I am a developer. I make themes for a living. I absolutely hate it when I see my theme available on WP Locker. दिक्कत वही होती है कि पायरेसी को बढ़ावा दिया जाता है. People go for it. I personally don't recommend. No, no, no. I'm not. I don't know. I know. I know you. I am saying the same thing. I absolutely agree with you. प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए वी कैन यूज WP लॉकर एब्सोल्युटली बिकॉज बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि यू हैव दिस फीचर दैट यू आर लॉन्गिंग फॉर यू वांट टू सी दैट द थिंग दैट यू आर प्रोवाइडिंग फॉर योर क्लाइंट दैट्स परफेक्ट बट देन खरीदने के बाद पता चलता है कि नहीं यार ये चीज़ फट रहा है ये चल ही नहीं रहा है कुछ तो साइड इट्स जस्ट गोइंग साइडवेज. So for those instances, there is this particular website which I still feel is very safe because most of the null themes on other platforms that I've come across, they can be pretty messy. They have malwares installed in those. They can mess up with your servers. WP Locker still has a good reputation in the underground world for this entire buying and selling of WordPress themes. It still has got a good reputation. The themes are clean enough so that it won't mess with your server. If you want, you can try it on your local host. And the best part of WP Locker is I personally, so if you guys even ask me, I personally spend at least like 3 hours a week. 3 hours a week only on WP Locker because Theme Forest पे themes ढूंढना बहुत difficult है. There is no elegant way on Theme Forest to search and explore new upcoming themes or upcoming creative designs or upcoming plugin ideas. When I basically come on WP Locker, I just scroll and scroll and scroll if I like a particular theme. I mean, there are so many inspirations, there are just so many WordPress concepts that I came across only and only because of WP Locker. Spend as much as time as possible on WP Locker so that you learn the entire WordPress ecosystem. कौन से plugins available है, कौन सी themes available है, क्या creative चीज़ें WordPress से बनाई जा सकती है. Even if you open one of these themes and just see what that, so it's as easy as just open this in a particular new tab. Below them you'll find their theme forest का link. Just open it. It will redirect to some ad platformish or something. Click on skip. Shreya, stop calling me. Not the right time. And yeah, you're here. Here you can basically go and explore. This is a much easier way to explore better themes. So if anyone wants to learn how to explore WordPress, WP Locker is here for you. Yeah. Now, moving ahead, more questions. Yes. Yeah, Akshay. Absolutely. See, okay. The last part, yes, you have to pay the taxes. बाकी के चीज़ें you don't. You don't really need to register yourself as a company. If the client demands it, then according to your state, you can get a thing called. Okay, am I audible now? Does this work now? Okay, perfect. So, for your clients especially, if a client demands that I need a company registration, according to the state you live in India, there's this beautiful thing called a Shop Act or sole proprietorship. It's as cheap as 250 rupees. You get that Shop Act in, I think, 2 days, and that is more than enough for you to open a current account if the client demands that. If the client doesn't, okay, I'll tell you the legal aspects of these companies in India. In India, you can have multiple companies. The three most prominent ones are Shop Act, LLP, that is limited liability. What the hell? How could I forget the last P? Is it proprietorship? Okay. Lim- Partner. Yeah, it's partnership. It's pride partnership, I guess. Yeah, partnership. How could I forget the P, man? Okay. LLP. There is Shop Act, and then there is a private limited company. Private limited shit expensive for the compliance part. Easy to register a company. GST involved होता है तो भाई बहुत कट होता है. Every 3 months you have to file, make sure everything is right in place because I had an unfortunate incident or sort of accident with my CA, so it's no more. So not really let's not get into that. LLP easiest but difficult when you are reaching a stage where you actually want to grow and get funding for your company. But if you're just going to be an agency, LLP is good. It is a legally recognizable thing. Now, beyond this, there is this thing called a Shop Act. Shop Act is something that your typical shopkeepers get. Shop Act is available in every state, and every state has a different rule for Shop Act. According to that, it starts anywhere between 250 rupees to 500 rupees, and you get it within 2 to 3 days. सो गो फॉर अ शॉप एक्ट. दैट इज मोर देन एनफ बिकॉज क्लाइंट जब कहते हैं कि उनको आपके एक कंपनी के साथ डील करना है, दे बेसिकली मीन टू से दे वांट टू ट्रांसफर मनी फ्रॉम one current account to other current account, and they don't prefer to share that money from current account to a personal account. So if a client says that I want to do this, and if you still are not in a position, what you can ask him to do is, sir आप मुझे पैसे भेज दो, आप मेरा एक TDS सर्टिफिकेट बना दो. So services like IT services, services like web development, services like website and social media, when the project value crosses 40,000 rupees, 10% TDS लगता है. 10% client TDS काटता है आपका, because that's the amount of tax he needs to pay to the government, which eventually you can claim. अगर बंदा 40,000 कह रहा है, 40,000 का 10% कितना होता है? Exactly. That's the amount that he won't give you. He'll basically give you 36,000 rupees, and he'll give you a TDS certificate. You can file a TDS certificate with the IT department, income tax department, every quarter. And once you file that TDS with the IT department, आपको आपके 4,000 रुपए मिल जाते हैं. That's how it works in India. Then there is no TDS required. If there is, if the amount is below 40,000, then there is no TDS required for that particular client. Yeah, but of course, if your income of that particular year crosses 5 lakhs, then you fall under a taxable slab. तो हाँ, salary तो मतलब income तो आपको declare करना पड़ता है, and there you will pay a flat 30% tax, which is shit expensive. So keep your bills right and handy, because जितने भी खर्चे आते हैं, जो कुछ भी चीज़ें होती है, वो आपको दिखानी पड़ती है, बतानी पड़ती है, and accordingly you can save taxes. Of course, there's an entire finance section on Avalon. Someday we'll have that discussion over there. See that is one great thing that you have said, man. So yeah, that is one great solution that you have. Most clients don't really know about it, and though they don't go through that entire headache of doing it. It's easier for them to just write down a TDS certificate. Yeah, but yeah, our friend over here has given us another fantastic solution. अगर आपको सारे TDS के कट से नहीं जाना है, you can just give this solution to your client that hey please ITC can do it, go for it. मुझे कट नहीं लेनी है ये सब चीज़ों की. Mostly ये कट होता नहीं है, because typically clients are cooperative enough, they would just UPI the money to your bank account. If someone really needs an agency, then Shop Act and a current account more than enough. Current account को शायद 5 दिन लगता है, Shop Act शायद 2 या 3 दिन में आ जाएगा. So yeah, that's one way you can go ahead with it. Yeah. Hmm. Like PAN card बोला तो, if you're saying PAN card, then again it boils down to TDS only, right? Because in TDS you need to give your PAN number to your client, and then he prepares the TDS certificate on the basis of your PAN card. So this is the same procedure, right? Same procedure. अरे नहीं नहीं, our friend over here has said the same thing, that the client here is expecting an agency. So when you are expecting an agency, a shop act and a current account is mandatory, or else this PAN card wala thing always works. See, invoices. See, you know what? Invoice is not really a formal documentation. Invoice is just a formal documentation for you and between your client, to let them know that ये है, ये पेपर पे हमने अमाउंट लिखा है, इतना मैं चार्ज करने वाला हूँ, आई एम अ कंसल्टेंट, आई एम अ फ्रीलांसर, दिस इज व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू चार्ज फॉर माय सर्विसेज. It's still a valid receipt. Doesn't matter even if you write it on a piece of paper and give it to your client, it's still a valid receipt according to the government official documents. Yeah, absolutely. Soft copy. You don't really have to have a physical copy. I literally, so initially in my previous days, I think the, yeah, invoice generator. We have this website still up and running. It's a beautiful website. It's a free website. Yeah, it's a free invoice template. All you need to do is add your particulars, add your amount, add your taxes, add your notes and terms. You can change your currency as well from here, and you have your invoices downloaded and ready. You can even send your invoice, by the way. You can just add the client's email address. True, true. Absolutely. You can. Any WordPress specific questions regarding like everything that we did regarding today's session? If I am pitching a client, what do I do to get him on board? Okay. Hmm. Hmm. See, first of all, as a person who has got nothing so far, like zero portfolio as well, what I would do is, if I am approaching a client, मैं मेरे साइड से थोड़ा मेहनत तो लूँगा. मेरे लिए थोड़ा मेहनत मतलब क्या होगा यहाँ पे? The थोड़ा मेहनत is, I would go on WP Locker. I will figure out. See, initially अगर कोई भी client हो, suppose give me a situation over here. Give me a client and his business over here. Just a random dummy client. Online plant store. Okay, online nursery. What I'll basically do is, first of all, I'll figure out where this client is, कहाँ पे है, उसका फ़ोन नंबर निकालूंगा, सारी चीज़ें निकालूंगा पहले तो. And then once I have everything right in place, I won't really use it so far. I know it's a risk I need to take, but this is literally a 15-minute job. I'll, with this current hosting that I'll be giving you, or rather, if you have your own hosting, perfect, with your dummy domain that you have, one domain that you need to purchase beforehand, I'll create a WordPress instance, go on WP Locker, figure out the theme that suits the best for him. Just get that theme installed, same, fake wala, like the nulled wala version only. Something just for pitching the client. I'll use the same theme, I'll get it installed. There is this thing called as demo installer. Every theme comes with their own demo installer, their own demo version. I'll prepare the demo. All I need to do is change that client's logo and change the client's title. The content still says it same because I don't really need to update the content at all. I'll take that link, I'll save it somewhere, I'll give him a phone call and I'll be like, sir, listen, I believe I can add value to your business. I have something to showcase to you for which I won't take more than 5 minutes of yours if you allow me to visit your store and have a conversation with you. If he says yes, no, whatever the answer is, go to his store. If he says yes, show him what he has to offer. If not, if he says no, then immediately tell him, okay, sir, I won't take more than 90 seconds of yours. I am sharing a link with you because I have your number from Just Dial. I am just sharing a small link with you at any time, at any given time possible. Please go through the link that I have shared. I have A website which I believe would look amazing for your business, can help you generate more leads, can be used to generate and create that brand awareness and presence for you over the internet. Please have a look at it. Please see through it, go through it, and please get back to me if you think that we can end up having a business together. It is a long shot, but the thing is, if there is a genuine business owner, someone who really cares about his business, he would actually listen to you. He would actually go and check that link. He would take a look at it. 3 दिन दो, 3 दिन के बाद फॉलो अप मैसेज डालो, कॉल करो, पूछो अगर उन्हें देखा या नहीं देखा. नहीं देखा फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. If in 5 days it's not going to convert, then it's not going to convert. This is how you can do. This is the process that I would typically do when I know that someone has even 1% chance of using my service. And trust me, this entire demo that I built, it is not going to take more than 15 minutes. Someone was saying something. Hello. Yeah. Yeah, go ahead. I'm sorry, man. Your voice is breaking. You're not at all audible. You have to repeat it all over again. Acha, okay. Just before that, one quick question to Elliot. Elliot, is it okay if I just cut the stream, because I doubt I have anything to show over video. I think everyone is just over voice, and we can have this entire discussion over voice itself. So you tell me, how do I do? I just end the stream from here. That's it.